What's happening, guys? Kevin here from SportsBoxBreaks.com coming at you live Monday, April 19th, 2021. Football night. We're starting to kind of split it up into different different sports. We decided to go all football tonight. We are breaking right now 2020 Panini Contenders football. This is Choose Team 6-box, half case, break number 7. Who has who in this break? Arizona Cardinals going to Jonathan D. The Atlanta Falcons belong to Tony K. The Baltimore Ravens going to GS. Welcome back, GS. Ravens again for GS. We got the Buffalo Bills going to Walt S. Carolina Panthers, David T. Chicago Bears going to Mike T. The Bengals going to Jeremy T. Cleveland Browns were double sold at the very end. Walt's order came in just a split second first, so Walt will be the holder. That is Walt S. for the Browns. We got the Dallas Cowboys going to Parker W. We got the Denver Broncos, Kurt D. Detroit Lions going to Ryan G. Green Bay Packers, Parker W. Houston Texans, Walt S. Indianapolis Colts going to Ryan G. Jacksonville Jags going to Jim W. Kansas City Chiefs, David T. Las Vegas Raiders going to Travis S. LA Chargers, Riley K. We got the LA Rams going to Gary T. Miami Dolphins going to Aaron F. Minnesota Vikings going to Matthew M. The New England Patriots going to David T. The New Orleans Saints going to Jonathan D. We got the New York Giants, David T. New York Jets, Matthew M. Philadelphia Eagles going to GS. We got the Pittsburgh Steelers going to Ryan G. San Francisco 49ers, Gary T. Seattle Seahawks going to Ryan G. The Tampa Bay Bucks going to Kurt D. Tennessee Titans, Tony K. And the Washington football team belongs to David T. All right, here we go. Uncle Rico, what's happening, buddy? Uncle Rico's out there. Uncle Rico, I saw you in... We became friendly recently with another breaker here in Vegas, and I think I saw you in one of his breaks over the weekend. KOS Breaks, John Turner. Good dude. He and I have connected a couple times. Lives real close to me out here. I think you were in his select breaks over the weekend, right? All right, guys, so what you're looking at here in front of me is a 12-box sealed case of Contenders. These are done as 6-box half-case breaks. So what we're going to do is open this up, flip this guy over, and choose 6 of these 12 boxes, and that's going to be our break. So here we go. Let's do the bottom. Let's do the bottom so the boxes are facing upright. Yep, 30 to 0 in one day. That's what 30% off will do for you, I suppose, right? So there they are, guys. Count them. 6 and 6. So let's flip these guys out of here. Boom, there they are. And I am going to take these 6 away. So the 6 that we're looking at right there on the back wall, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the 6 boxes. Here we go. Let's get 3 of them down here, down low. 3 and 3, guys. The other 6 are up for grabs in the next break. Contenders break number 8 will be the next of those. 21 spots left in that one. And I am willing to bust that break as well tonight. If you guys want to go for it, there's the link to it. All right, here we go. Of course, all cards do ship, as do every one of our breaks here at SBB. I just want to kind of like preface something here because we've been getting a lot of pushback on this. Guys, for almost 8 years of doing breaks, our classification of a hit card is a card numbered 50 or lower, any auto, any relic card. So this product, of course, has autos. It has low-numbered cards. So we will encase, hard encase with top loaders, any hit. Any rookies and so on, like high-value rookies, I will penny sleeve. And if you have any specific requests beyond that, you're going to need to email us about that and ask us to do something specific. We'll penny sleeve other stuff for you. Top loaders are incredibly tough to come by right now in the industry. They're literally nowhere to be found. So I'm just throwing that out there so we don't get any pushback in an email saying you guys didn't sleeve or top load this card, when in fact we're letting you guys know ahead of time. That's the way it goes. Let's do one box at a time here. We got a little edge from where the cards were like punched out of the full sheet. You get the little like edge piece kind of coming in the pack there. Last one right here on this side. All right, there's one side. So what are we looking for? Each box has what in it? We are looking for, I'm trying to remember, 5 autos, including 1 on card per box, right? Guys, do me a favor, if you're watching the YouTube channel for the first time, or even over on Twitch, on the YouTube side, do the subscribe. It costs $0. Give us a thumbs up on the video. That'll get more eyeballs on the video tonight. But subscribing to the channel is pretty big. Helps build up those community numbers. Everybody wants stuff filled up really fast, and we do too. The bigger the community, the easier that happens. So hit that subscribe, fellas. We don't push it enough recently. Got to push that some more. All right, first box coming our way, guys. Again, every card ships, so if I pass something off and you're like, oh, man, he didn't take the time to show me that card for 3 minutes long, you're going to get it. All right, let me get the camera focused in. Camera focus. All right, right there. Season ticket. Julian Edelman right at the top of the stack here. We'll adjust that camera focus if we need to. Season ticket, we're looking for numbered cards. Season ticket. So these, hopefully we'll find one of these with 2 autos on it. We got the Jets on both pieces here, so not a dual team card on that one. Season ticket. Miles Sanders, Joe Mixon. Season ticket. Peterson, Aaron Jones. Nick Bosa. All right, legendary contenders of Brett Favre, a little something different there. And we do have the kid reporters in this. Those will go to the trash unless somebody wanted them. Season ticket, Joey Bosa, Chris Godwin, Sutton. I think our first one's coming up here, guys. Here it is, right behind the Minshew. And it is going to be the Rams with the Xavier Jones. The Rams never hit, though. But they do hit. They hit a lot. Gary T is the owner on the Rams in this one. Xavier Jones, rookie ticket auto coming your way, buddy. Nice. So LA Rams, first one on the board. We keep this going. Rookie of the year contenders, James Robinson, Jacksonville. Got a Cam Newton, Kyler, Adams, Diggs. We got a Drew Brees, MVP contenders, New Orleans. Patty Mahomes, Marlon Mack. Green, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald. We got a winning ticket of Cam Newton. Season ticket, Tyler Boyd. Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas. All right. We got a little, I'm almost getting my 2 different manufacturers confused. A little cracked ice action going on here. I was going to call it Atomic for a minute. That is Tyler Boyd, Cincinnati. Who's got them Bengals? Jeremy T does. Very nice. That is a 17 of 22. You can barely see it amongst the funky cracked ice going on, but good stuff. 17 of 22. So here's one of the round numbers that is a dual team. So any of these round numbers that are not numbered, which means they don't have a numbering 50 or below, means they're not technically a hit. So we go front face value of the card, top to bottom, left to right on team ownership. So this will be a Chicago card based on the Cole Kmet being on top. And that's going to be applicable to any of those cards that have multi-teams on them when they're not a hit. And that's hard to find in our How Breaks work page for 7+ years. So if you guys have any questions, just check that page out. Got a Denzel Mims, Rookie of the Year contenders. Fitzgerald. Season ticket. Season ticket, Terry McLaurin. MVP of Aaron Donald for the Rams, MVP contenders. And a little bit left here on the left side. JJ, Juju Smith-Schuster. And here it comes. Little Washington football team action coming up here for David. Antonio Gandy Golden. On-card ink right there. Rookie ticket. Beautiful. On-card ink. Rookie ticket auto. Gandy Golden. Washington football team goes to David T. Congrats, sir. Rookie of the year right here, T. Higgins. All right, one side is down. 2 autos unearthed so far. Let's keep going. MVP of Jared Goff. Kid Reporter to the Kid Reporter stack. Here's another one with the dual team. We got a little Justin Herbert action up top. Round numbers again. Not a hit, but it is a Chargers card based on placement. And here comes number 3. How about Xavier McKinney? We had a Xavier Jones. It's the box of Xaviers going on here. New York Giants. Xavier McKinney, rookie ticket auto right here. New York Giants belong to David T. So David, another one for you, buddy. 2 in a row. Washington on the previous one. Now the Giants on this one. Rookie ticket auto coming your way, David. Dobbins, Rookie of the Year. We got a Kid Reporter. Well, they're doing us dirty, fellas. There it is. Season ticket of Russell Wilson. One of the hits is replaced with a points card, as we've already seen, unfortunately. Emmitt Smith, Legendary. Gronkowski. MVP contender, Tom Brady. And here it is, guys. So one of the hits is replaced, unfortunately, with the points card. The way we work points cards here at SBB is I'll take an inventory of all hits pulled in the break. I will then mark all the teams that got a hit and all the teams that did not get a hit. We'll then extract only the hitless teams into a random list and run a random against the hitless teams to determine who's going to land that points card. So that's the way we do it. All right. Winning ticket of Aaron Rodgers. Another round number is Justin Jefferson and Jeff Gladney, Vikings on both. Rookie of the Year, Justin Herbert. And here we go. Miami Dolphins scoring the last one in the first box. Not quite the Miami Dolphin hit you're looking for, but still not bad. Brandon Jones coming your way, buddy. Rookie ticket auto. Rookie ticket auto, Brandon Jones. Aaron picked up those Dolphins near the end of this one, so there's a little something, something. Legendary contenders of Dick Butkus for Chicago, and then the last card is a Kid Reporter. All right, box number 1 in the books, fellas. How's the second one of these looking? Break number 8. Give you the link to it one more time, because I'm going to be obnoxious. Because we can do more, guys. We can do more. There's the link. Let me put this 250 points card over yonder. Do the random on that once we finish up. There's an empty box. All right, one side. Guys, encased football is at 16. I've got that here in Vegas. If we can knock that encased down to 0, that'll be the next one. Looks like that's the closest right now of the remaining footballs up there. 16 spots left. right, here we go. Box number 2. Let's find some fire in this one, guys. Get through it a little faster now. All right, first one. How about Miami again with a Solomon Kinley? Miami, another one. So back-to-back Miami hits. Solomon Kinley, rookie ticket auto. That's a big boy right there. Rookie ticket auto for Miami. Aaron gets another one. Then a legendary contenders, Dan Marino. Got a Cam Akers, rookie of the year contenders. Season ticket. We got a Josh Allen, MVP contenders for the Bills. And here it is. It's not even facing the flip side. Rookie ticket auto of Logan Wilson. Very nice. Bengals again belong to Jeremy. Jeremy T gets it. Logan Wilson, rookie ticket auto. Jeremy T scoring one for the Bengals. There you go, sir. Another duel right here. Xavier McKinney, Giants up top. So that is a Giants card based on that. Patrick Mahomes. Peyton Manning, legendary contenders. What do we got? Jalen Hurts, rookie of the year contenders. Numbering to 49. All right, very nice. 34 out of 49. Barry Sanders, legendary contenders for the Lions. Lions going to Ryan. Jimmy G. Another duel. This one is Raiders on both pieces here with Lynn Bowden Jr., Brian Edwards. Winning ticket of Drew Brees. Got a Dalton Keene up top, although it's Patriots on both pieces, so not a dual team card there. All right, one side down. Second side right here. And, well, guys. Well to the well. What do we have here, guys? Riley. Boom. That's on card ink, buddy. That's a little something special right there. Justin Herbert, rookie ticket auto on card ink for Riley. Boom time. Bada boom. I'm going to get myself a little card sleeve and sleeve that guy up right this second. Yeah, we're sitting there waiting for this one to go. And, well, why not? Why not a Justin Herbert on card ink rookie ticket auto? Kaboom. Congrats, Riley. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's keep going, guys. Rookie of the year of Tua. Yeah. And that's box number 2. MVP, Big Ben. Chase Young up top, so that is a Washington card right there. Season ticket. And guess what, guys? If the Justin Herbert wasn't enough, how about a Joe Reed to add to the Chargers collection here, buddy? Joe Reed rookie ticket auto. So back-to-back Chargers autos. First one, just a little Justin Herbert. Joe Reed for the second one. Can't even make this stuff up. Bo Jackson, legendary. Don't know. You guys tell me. Was that the variation? You guys tell me. There it is, if you want to burn it into your brain. Was that the variation as well? All right, let's keep rolling. That was the variation as well. All right, rookie of the year, Chase Young. The V on back. Let's see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There it is. All right, here it is. Freddie Swain for the Seahawks. Seattle Seahawks going off to Ryan G. Ryan getting the next one. Rookie ticket auto. Freddie Swain. Winning ticket, Patrick Mahomes. And last one right there, Pittman Jr., Rookie of the Year Contenders. All right, 2 boxes down, fellas. 2 down. Let's go to 3. What kind of dollar value on that Herbert, guys? $2K-ish. That'll do. That'll do. Graded 9 or better, 6,000 plus. That'll also do. Well, congrats there, my friend, Riley K. All right, second side right here. Not sure if Riley even saw it happen. I think he was in here at first. T seeing it happen. There you go, T. What's happening, buddy? Jeremy wants the refund on the Bengals. If only, right? If only. All right, here we go, fellas. Box number tray. I don't know. Let's keep some fire going here. Why not? All right, season ticket. Sanders, Mixon. What do we got? Randy Moss, Legendary Contenders. Jalen Reagor, Rookie of the Year Contenders. Bosa. Eason, Rookie of the Year Contenders. All right, here comes our next hit, and it is going to be for the team that double sold near the very end here. We got a Jedrick Wills, Browns, which belongs to Walt. There you go, Walt. A little rookie ticket auto action. Jedrick Wills. So the Browns getting some ink. Got a Kirk Cousins MVP. Winning ticket of Michael Thomas. Got another round numbers here. We got a Chason up top, Jacksonville, so it is a Jacksonville card based on that. Well, they did us dirty a second time. I see it already, and I don't want to reveal the code, so let's flip it. So 250 points cards, which means we got shorted 2 autos so far in the case. Let's hope that's the only one. So that's the second 250. Van Jefferson, Rookie of the Year. Good old Panini being Panini. Aaron Rodgers, MVP. Yeah, Panini doing Panini things. Justin Jefferson, Rookie of the Year Contenders. What do we got? Preston Williams. And here comes a little Alberto action for the Broncos. Denver Broncos going to Kurt. There you go, buddy. Rookie ticket auto. Rookie ticket auto. Denver scoring one. I think it's the first call out for Denver as well for you, Kurt. Congrats, congrats. Drew Lock and Kid Reporter. All right, one stack is down. Second side. Lamar, MVP. And Desmond Patman for the Colts. Indianapolis Colts going to Ryan G. What do we got for you, buddy? Rookie ticket auto. First call out for the Colts right there as well. Desmond Patman. Indianapolis. Congrats. Winning ticket of Tom Brady. CD up top right there, so that is a Cowboys card. There you go. You're finally seeing it there, Uncle Rico. Congrats, buddy. What a hit. We got something coming up here. What do we got? We got a championship ticket to 99 right there, Sterling Shepard. So a little something, something. Legendary Contenders of Jerry Rice. CD Rookie of the Year. Little Joe Burrow. So first appearance of Burrow in any form, I think, so far. So Bengals gets the round numbered card with Joey Burrow up top. And Ravens getting the last bit of ink out of this box. Who's got them Ravens? That is GS on the ownership of the Ravens, Devin Duvernay. And that's nice. Playoff ticket, 24 of 99 on that one, and that is on card as well. GS gets it. Nice stuff there. Nice stuff. And the last one is McCaffrey with an MVP. All right. Box number 4. You got it, Uncle Rico. My pleasure, buddy, as always, to pull you guys the big stuff here. Do we want to do the other side of this one tonight? Guys, let's do it. The other 6 boxes are just lowly hanging out on the break table here. Let's get them going. Put those guys into action. Uncle Rico, I don't imagine you want that in a magnetic. I know magnetics have kind of fallen out of favor a bit lately, just in the sense that, you know, they're not held in the magnetic as well as they would be in a standard top loader. I have it in a penny sleeve for the moment. I'm going to stick it in a standard top loader once I fully finish up here. But if you'd prefer a magnetic, I'll certainly put it in there for you. I have one waiting in the wings. I know it's not a chrome face card, which definitely nobody wants the magnetics for the chrome face cards. All right, there's one side. All right, last one right here. There it is. All right, let's start on this side. And MVP contender Kirk Cousins, Kid Reporter. And Eno Benjamin for the Cardinals is going to be coming up here. First one, Jonathan D. on the ownership of the Arizona Cardinals. Rookie ticket auto coming your way, Jonathan. Congrats, bud. Eno Benjamin, Arizona. Winning ticket of Michael Thomas. What do we got? Chase on Jacksonville up top, so it is a Jacksonville card. Congrats on that one, Jonathan. Got a Van Jefferson Rookie of the Year. Rookie of the Year, LaVisca, with some numbering to 149. Very nice, Jacksonville. Aaron Rodgers MVP. Got a Justin Jefferson Rookie of the Year and a little bit left on the left stack. MVP Drew Lock. And what do we got? Cole Kmet coming up here, Chicago. Chicago Bears belong to Mike. There you go, Mike. On Card Ink. It's kind of a, is that an infinity symbol? Is that how he signs? I mean, it's pretty minimalist, but it's on card nonetheless. Rookie ticket auto, Cole Kmet coming your way. Mike T. Chicago Bears. Joey Burrow again, same card. Burrow and Tua, round numbers. So this will be a Bengals card based on that, because it is not numbered overall. Yeah, it's like an infinity symbol, right? All right, here we go. Second stack. 2 boxes to go after this, guys. Eason, Rookie of the Year. Mean Joe, Legendary. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Rookie of the Year. And here comes our next one, guys. It is also a variation as well. Cleveland, Donovan Peoples-Jones, Cleveland Browns, which was that double sold spot. Walt owns it. There you go, buddy. Rookie ticket auto, and it is the variation one also. Peoples-Jones coming your way. Very nice. Browns. Mahomes MVP. Winning ticket of Lamar. What do we got? Jacksonville, both sides there. We got a redemption coming up here, fellas. We got a redemption. So let's put the redemption down, face down. We'll look at it once we get through the live cards here in the stack. Legendary of Ray Lewis. Kid Reporter. Swift, Rookie of the Year. Season ticket Ingram. And well, we have one live auto before we get to the redemption. We have a Marquez Callaway for the Saints. New Orleans Saints belong to Jonathan D. Here's another one coming your way, Jonathan. Nice. Rookie ticket. And again, he signs the heck out of his stuff, man. He really fills out those stickers, doesn't he? Callaway, rookie ticket auto, New Orleans. Congrats. Watson MVP, then a Kid Reporter. All right, let's see what this redemption looks like, guys. Let's use a blank spacer to kind of do a little slow reveal here. All right, 2020 Playoff Contenders, card set, rookie ticket. Card number 229, Tim Patrick. Tim Patrick. I'm drawing a blank on Tim Patrick. So luckily, that's going to be Broncos, yeah? Denver Broncos going to Kurt. So Broncos, rookie ticket auto, 229 in redemption form. Going to Denver and Kurt D. Just notating it for easy sorting later. All right, that does it for that one. We're down to the last 2 boxes here, guys. 2 to go. Box number 5. That is empty. Guys, are the numbers dropping? I haven't had an opportunity to really keep a close eye on that, but are the numbers dropping on anything else? If they are, we could do more. If not, this one might be the last one of the session. But hey, 30% off on the football is only going to last until we until we go off air tonight. So while we're on air, you guys can save 30% on football using that code. Don't be shy, fellas. Use it up. Let's get those shelves cleared off, make way for some new stuff coming on in. There's a little Rookie of the Year, Joey Burrow. I see it from the back there. All right, second side. Perfect. All right, Uncle Rico. Thanks for the confirmation there. I didn't feel like you'd want a mag for it, but figured I'd ask. All right, last pack out of box 5. There it is. All right, here we go. Let's start on this left stack. Cam Akers, Rookie of the Year. Got a Josh Allen MVP. Season ticket, Aaron Jones. And here it is. It's the Xavier's again, the Xavier Show. Los Angeles Rams with the Xavier Jones. I think that's a dupe, right? Rams going to Gary. Xavier Jones auto. Rookie ticket auto for LA Rams. They never hit. So there's another one for you, Gary. Congrats, congrats. Xavier McKinney, Giants up top. So that is a Giants card just behind it. Peyton Manning, legendary. And here's a little numbering. We got a Kinlaw Ayuk duel here. 49ers again on both sides, but it is numbered to 149 with the round numbers. Jimmy Garoppolo, MVP. Winning ticket, Drew Brees. Round numbers, we got New England on both sides. And here comes our next one. How about a Jonathan Taylor? Indianapolis Colts, which belong to Ryan. Jonathan Taylor auto coming your way, buddy. On-card ink, too. Really nice. Rookie ticket auto, Jonathan Taylor with on-card ink. Very nice. Colts scoring a good one. A Jeff Okudah, Rookie of the Year behind it. All right, second side. Here we go. Tom Brady right there. Zeke Elliott, MVP. Rookie of the Year, Joey Burrow. That's the one we saw from the backside. So there's a little something, Jeremy. A little something. Joey Burrow, putting him to the side for you. And how about a variation as well? Trayvon Diggs for the Cowboys. Cowboys going to Parker. And there it is, buddy. Rookie ticket auto. Diggs, Cowboys. And it is the variation also. MVP of Baker. Akers Jefferson, Rams double. Legendary Contenders, Dickerson. Oh, man. Well, you can't make this stuff up, fellas. There's points card number 3. We have this in front of it, Melvin Gordon. So that's 3 250 points cards. Clyde, what's happening, buddy? Clyde, if you're just popping in, I don't know if you saw the emails and all the promotion around it. I think you did. 30% off all the football in tonight's lineup using that code right there. So if we can get more going tonight, we'll break it. Jonathan Taylor, Rookie of the Year. What do we got? Tannehill, MVP. Winning ticket, Russell Wilson. And what do we got? Baltimore Ravens, which I think is GS on the ownership. Yes, it is. Justin Madubuike. Ravens. And that's pretty nice, buddy. Championship ticket right there to 49. Excellent. 23 out of 49 on that one for the Ravens. GS. Scoring it. Congrats to GS. Ruggs up top, so that is going to be a Raiders card with that winning, or round numbers, rather. Round numbers. And then the last one is a Kid Reporter. All right, guys, down to the last box. Here we go. Fingers crossed we do not see another points card. Panini is, I don't know, man. All right, empty box. There it is, guys. 30% off all the football. Choose Team Football on the site. There's not a whole lot of them up there. We have just a small selection of Choose Team Football up there. All right, there's one. Second side. There's a Jordan Love, Rookie of the Year contender. All right, last pack right here, fellas. Box number 6, final box. Here we go. What do we got going on? San Fran on both pieces here. Kinlaw and Ayuk. Legendary of Barry Sanders. And how about another one for the Arizona Cardinals and Jonathan? This is a dupe as well. Eno showed up earlier. Here's a second one for you, bud. Rookie ticket. Eno Benjamin for Arizona. Jonathan getting a second one to add to the collection. Rookie of the Year of Jordan Love. Carson Wentz MVP. Tommy Brady. Aaron Donald winning ticket. I see something. What do we got here? To 99, Austin Eckler for the Chargers. So 75 of 99 championship ticket. Gross Matos up top there for the Panthers. So it is a Panthers card. What do we got? Rookie of the Year, Isaiah Simmons. MVP of Kyler. And here comes our next one. How about them Browns, man? Double-sold team, and they scored 3 hits. Crazy as that is. Jacob Phillips for the Browns. There it is, rookie ticket. Jacob Phillips. And here's a legendary of Dan Marino. And then Kid Reporter. All right. Last stack here, guys. Last chance to score something. And again, of course, all cards ship. And if you do not get a hit, which is an auto, a relic, a card 50 or lower, we send every card, and we additionally will send you a pack where you can maybe pull something for yourself. Big Ben MVP. Chase Young up top. All right, here we go. Little Noah I action. I'm going to just go with that. One of these days I'll actually learn his pronunciation. Dolphins, and it is the variation also. I think Aaron picked it up, right? Miami Dolphins? Yep, Aaron F. There you go, buddy. Rookie ticket auto. Very nice. So those Dolphins coming in with a couple hits thus far. Let's see what else we got. Chase Young, Rookie of the Year. Gardner Minshew, MVP. And we have a redemption, guys. So there it is. Let's put the redemption down. We'll see that in a second. Flip through the rest of the cards and see what we got. Season ticket of Haskins. Bowden Jr. and Edwards, dual. And here we go. Another variation also. Ravens, on fire for you, GS. Devin Duvernay, variation, auto. How about that? Playoff ticket to 49. 14 out of 49 on that one. Beautiful. GS, get another one. 14 out of 49. Congrats. There's a little Tua appearance. We haven't seen much of Tua in this one. So there it is, Rookie of the Year, Contenders of Tua. Preston Williams, and Rookie of the Year contenders, Michael Pittman Jr. All right, let's see what we got on this redemption, guys. We're going to use the blank spacer to lead us in. All right, here we go. Card set, rookie ticket. Card number 153. How about a Jeff Gladney? Jeff Gladney, card 153. That is Minnesota Vikings. Minnesota Vikings going to Matthew M. Matthew is pushing this one to go pretty hard, getting rewarded with the last one in redemption for him there, buddy. So Vikings getting the love. On the redemption, congrats to you, sir. Guys, thanks again for getting this one filled up. I will figure out who gets not 1, not 2, but 3 points cards based on a little inventory I will do on the hits. And I will run a random in a separate video to show you guys who's going to get those points cards, and I'll do a little hit recap in that video as well. So thanks again, guys. Appreciate it, and these will ship out in the next shipping batch out of Vegas.